Suppliers of laptops must replace the laptops given to teachers if it is overpriced and slow. For more details, please watch this video. According to the Department of Education, teachers who have received the expensive but sluggish computers that were recently highlighted by the Commission on Audit, or COA, may be eligible for a suitable replacement device, said DepEd. Michael Poe, a spokesperson of DepEd, said during a press conference on Wednesday that DepEd would need to first evaluate the assertion that the laptops, which were purchased with the procurement service of the Department of Budget and Management for $2.3 billion, were in fact slow. This would therefore not occur anytime soon. He stated that DepEd will think about quick remedies to the problems after the evaluation so that the computers could still be utilized when classes resume on August 22. We are trying to remedy the situation because the teachers will use the laptops given to them last year for this coming school year, POA emphasized. Additionally, POA said if the laptops are confirmed to be really slow and not up to par with what we wanted, then as far as I understand, they are still covered with warranty and could be replaced. In a message to reporters, POA said, if it is proven that the laptops delivered do not perform as they should be as purchased, we will then consider available legal remedies, which is to invoke the warranty provision, and DepEd could compel the supplier to fix or replace the laptops. Furthermore, he said if need be, invoking the warranty provision will be done in coordination with PSDBM as they are the procuring entity. But he made it clear that while the computers were being evaluated, there was no more immediate order or direction to replace them. At yun lamang po ang ating panibagong updates natin ngayong araw. So for more details or updates, don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and at the same time, i-hit ng notification bell dyan sa baba para like ang updated sa mga videos about news and updates na in-upload ko sa YouTube. Maraming salamat po.